Hey, it's Angeline here. I have a fun new video with Unity stamp today, and I'm going to show you how to create this holographic effect card. So first, I've already stamped and colored this cute frog by Lisa Glantz called Salutation Toad Kit, and he's so cute, oh my goodness. And I'm also grabbing the Brutus Monroe Heart Swirl background stamp here to create my background. It is huge and it can fit an A2 size card easily. So I've already cut a piece of black cardstock here to size, and I'm grabbing my embossing powder tool here by EK Success to just run over all my cardstock. This is to avoid static so that the embossing powder will not cling to any unwanted parts. So I'm grabbing the watermark embossing ink and just inking up the stamp really well because the background is so detailed. And I'm just grabbing the cardstock and just pressing it down with a scrap piece of paper to make sure every nook and corner is inked up. Then it's time to pour the embossing powder. I'm grabbing the Wow Embossing Silver Glittery powder here because you know I love my glitters. So just pour it generously all over your background and just carefully tilt it over to remove all the excess powder. Just tap off the excess powder by just tapping the back of your card, and it's time to heat it up. So use your heat gun here to heat up the powder. You'll know when it's done when it kind of turns color. As you can see, it's turning silvery right now. Now it's time to assemble the card. I'm just grabbing a card base here and just adhering this piece of black cardstock right onto my card base. Then it's time to adhere the frog and the "Hi there, how are you?" to the card. I'm just using some glue here just to put him right in the middle of my card. And next I'm grabbing this brand new product by Tonic Studio, which is called Nuo Dream Drops. They are holographic when they are dried, so these will create a fun effect on your card. So I'm just using the background, the swirls. I'm just placing some right in the center of the swirls and just alternating between all three colors. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique today, and thanks for watching. Bye!